welcome to all. I am Rajakumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, Kanyakumari District. Today I am going to teach you industrial robotics. And industrial robotics is a robot system used for manufacturing. Industrial robots are automated, programmable and capable of movement on 3 or more axes. Robot terminology. Robot is nothing but it is a mechanical device that performs human tasks either automatically or by remote control. Robotics means study and applications of robot technology. Telerobotics, robot that is operated remotely. These are the terminology of robots. What is the meaning of robot? A reprogrammable multifunctional manipulator designed to move material, parts, tool or specialized device through various programmed motions for the performance of a variety of tasks. Law of robotics. There are 3 laws of robotics. A robot may not injure a human being or through inaction allow a human being to come to harm. Second law, a robot must obey orders given to it by human beings except where such orders would conflicts with the first law. Law 3, a robot must protect its own existence as long as such protection does not conflict with the first law. How do robots work? A robot is any moving machine that can be programmed to perform tasks and gather information from its surroundings. Robots work from a central microprocessor that controls their movements. They also have sensors for examining the environment and power sources. Types of robots. You can see this picture. The robot is working in the automobile industries. Nowadays, most of the work are automated. So, industrial robots means they are using the robots for the purpose of material handling, welding, inspection, improving the productivity and laboratory application and workplace hazarded in manufacturing workplace. These are the places robotics are maximum utilizing the robots. Types of robots. Mobile robots. You can see this picture of these mobile robots. These robots can move around on legs, tracks or wheels. Second one, educational robots. Robots kits are used extensively in education. Example, RoboLab and Lego. Domestic robots. 2 types of these designed to perform household tasks and modern toys, which are performed to do things like talking, walking and dancing, etc. You can see this is the second image of this robot is a domestic robot. Robot components. Manipulator or over main body of the robot. That means it include link, joint, other structural elements of the robot. End effector, the part that is concerned to the last joint hands of a manipulator. It is nothing but human hand. Actuator, muscles of the manipulators. That means servo motor, stepper motor, pneumatic and hydraulic cylinder. Then sensor, to collect information about the internal state of the robot or to communicate with the outside environment. Robot components are fifth component, major component is the controller. Similar to cerebellum, it control and coordinate the motion of the actuators. Then processor, the brain of the robot. It calculates the motion and the velocity of the robot joint, etc. Software, operating system, robot software and the collection of routines. Sensors, these are image exposed in the various sensors. Sensor provide the awareness of the environment by sensing things. Sensors are the core of robots. It is the system that alerting the robot. Sensing can be different form like light, sound, heat, chemicals, force, object proximity, physical orientation, positive, magnetic and electric field, resistance. The picture is mentioned the different types of sensor. Actuators, two types of actuator. One is locomotion and manipulation. Locomotion is nothing but leg, wheels, other exotic means. You can see this image. These are the actuators, different types of actuators. And manipulator, first one, degree of freedom, independently controllable component of motion. Arms, convenient method to allow full movement in 3D, more often used in fixed robot due to power and weight, even more difficult to control due to extra degree of freedom. Then gripper is nothing but human beings fingers, maybe very simple, two rigid arms to pick up object, maybe complex device with finger on end of an arm. End effector, in robotics, an end effector is a device at the end of the robotic arm designed to interact with the environment. The end effector may consist of a gripper or a tool. The gripper can be of 2 fingers, 3 fingers, or even 5 fingers. You can see this image of the image is a end effector. This is the end effector of the robot. Degree of freedom, rotate based of arm, pivot based of arm, bend elbow, wrist up and down. Wrist can movement up and down. Wrist left hand movement, it can moving in the left and right or up and down. Rotate the wrist. The wrist can move in rotate. Robots are used for the following tasks: dirty tasks, repetitive tasks, and dangerous tasks, impossible tasks. Robot assisting the handicapped can operate the equipment at much high precision than human. Robotics application, explorations, space mission, robots in Antarctic exploring the volcanoes, underwear explorations, and medical science, surgical assistant, assembly factory parts of handling, assembly, painting, surveilling, security, and bomb disposal, etc. Home help, grass cutting, and nursing. Advantages: going to far away planet, going far down into the unknown water and mines where human would be crushed, giving us information that a human cannot get, working at place 24/7 without any salary and food, plus they don't get bored. They can perform tasks faster than human and much more consistently and accurately. Most of them are automatic, so they can go around by themselves without any human interference. Disadvantage is people can lose job in factories. It need a supply of power. It need the maintenance to keep it running. Thank you.